Chapter number 15, Probability. Exercise 15.1. First question. Complete the following statement. Fill in the blanks. Probability of an event E plus probability of the event not E is equal to 1. Second, probability of an event that cannot happen is 0. Such an event is called impossible. Event. Third, the probability of an event that is contained to happen is 1. Such as event is called sure event. The sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is 1. The probability of all the event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. And question number 4, which of the following cannot be a probability of an event? Negative. -1 upon 5 cannot be the probability of an event. 2 upon 3 is probability, 15% is probability, and 0.7 is probability. -1.5 cannot be the probability of an event. Question number 5. If probability of E is 0.05, what is the probability of not E? Given probability of event E is equal to 0.05. Probability of E plus probability of E dash is equal to 1. Probability of E dash is equal to probability of not E. Given probability of E is 0.05 plus probability of E dash, that is probability of not E, is equal to 1. Probability lies between 0 is less than equal to probability of event E is less than equal to 1. Probability lies between 0 to 1. 0.05 shifting right side, we get probability of E dash is equal to 1 minus 0.05. 1.00 minus 0.05. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 and 0. Probability of E dash, that is probability of not E, event E, is equal to 0.95. Answer. We have given probability of event E is equal to 0.05. Probability of event E plus probability of E dash is equal to 1. 0.05 plus probability of E dash equal to 1. 0.05 shifting right side, that will be negative, and we are subtracting 1 and 0.5. 1 minus 0.5, 0.05, we get 0.05. 0.95 answer. Question number 6. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Malini takes out on candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes out first an orange flavored candy, second a lemon flavored candy? Given a bag contains lemon flavored candy, only. Probability of an orange flavored candy is equal to 0, and probability of a lemon flavored candy is equal to 1. A bag contains lemon flavored candy only. Probability of orange flavored candy is 0 and probability will be 0. Probability of a lemon flavored candy only 1, that is equal to probability equal to 1. Answer. Question number 7. It is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday? Given probability of two students not having the same day birthday, the same birthday, that is equal to 0.992, and that is probability of E dash. Not having probability of E dash is equal to 0.992, and we know that probability of event E plus probability of event E dash is equal to 1. Probability of event E means probability of two students having the same birthday, that is probability of event E, plus not having the same birthday is probability of E dash equal to 1, and we are putting the value probability of E dash we get probability of E plus 0.992 is equal to 1, and we are shifting 0.992 in right side. That will be negative 0.992, and 1.000 minus 0.992. We get 10 minus 2 is equal to 8, and 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0, and 0. Probability of E is equal to 0.008. Answer. We have given probability of two students not having the same birthday 0.992. That is probability of E dash. And probability of E having the same birthday plus probability of E dash not having the same birthday is equal to 1 formula, and probability of E dash is 0.992. Shifting right side, 1 minus 0.992, and subtracting 1 and 0.992, we get 0.008. Probability having the same birthday, probability of E equal to 0.008. Answer. Question number 8. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball is red and second not red? Number of red balls is equal to 3. Number of black balls is equal to 5. Total number of balls is equal to 3 plus 5. Total balls is equal to 8. Probability of red is equal to number of red balls divided by total number of balls, 3 upon 8. And second probability of not red, that is equal to 1 minus probability of red, 3 upon 8. That is 8 minus 3 upon 8 is equal to 5 upon 8. Probability of not red ball is equal to 5 upon 8. Answer. Number of red balls is equal to 3 and number of black balls is equal to 5. Total number of balls is 3 plus 5, that is equal to 8. First probability of red ball, that is equal to number of red ball divided by total number of balls, 3 upon 8 answer. And probability of not red is equal to 1 minus probability of red ball. 1 minus probability of red ball is 3 upon 8. 8 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 8. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 upon 8. Probability of not red ball is equal to 5 upon 8 answer. Question number 9. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be first is red, second is white, and third is not green? Number of red marbles is equal to 5. Number of white marbles is equal to 8. Number of green marbles is equal to 4. So total number of marbles is equal to 5 plus 8 plus 4, 70. First, probability of red is equal to number of red marbles is 5. 5 divided by 70 answer. And second, probability of white probability of white marbles is equal to number of white marble is 8 divided by 70 answer. And probability of not green probability of not green, that is equal to 1 minus probability of green, 4 upon 17. 17 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 17 minus 4 upon 17 is equal to 13 upon 70 answer. Number of red marbles is 5. Number of white marbles is 8. Number of green marbles is equal to 4. Total number of marble 4 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4 equal to 17. Probability of red is equal to 5 divided by 17. Answer: probability of white is equal to white marble is 8. 8 upon total 17. Probability of not green is equal to 1 minus probability of green, and green marble is 4 upon 17. 1 minus 4 upon 17. 17 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 17 minus 4 upon 17 is equal to 13 upon 17. Answer. Thank you so much. Question number 10. A piggy bank contains 150 paisa coin, 50 rupees 1 coin, 22 rupees coin, and 10 5 rupees coin. If it is equally likely that one of the coin will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin will be a 50 paisa coin and will not be a 5 rupees coin? Number of 50 paisa coin is equal to 100. 50 paisa coin is equal to 100, and number of 1 rupees coin, number of rupees 1 coins is equal to 50. Number of 2 rupees coin, rupees 2 coins is equal to 20. Number of rupees 5 coins is equal to 10. Total number of coins is equal to 180. What is the probability that the coin will be a 50 paisa? Probability of 50 paisa coins is equal to 100 upon number of 50 paisa coin is 100. 100 upon 180. This is cancel. 5 2s are 10. 9 2s are 18. So probability of 50 paisa coins is equal to 5 upon 9. Answer. And second part will not be a 5 rupees coin. Probability will not be rupees 5 coins is equal to 1 minus number of rupees 5 coins equal to 10. 1 minus 10 upon 180, that is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 18. 0 0 is cancelled. 1 minus 1 upon 18 18 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 18 minus 1 upon 18 is equal to 17 upon 18. Probability of not 5 rupees coin is equal to 17 upon 18. Answer. Given number of 50 paisa coins is equal to 100, number of 1 rupees coins is equal to 50, number of 2 rupees coin is equal to 20, and number of 5 rupees coins is equal to 10. Total number of coins is 100 plus 50, 150 plus 20, 170 plus 10, 180. Probability of 50 paisa coins is equal to number of 50 paisa coins is 100, then probability is equal to 100 upon 180, 0 is cancelled, and 5 2s are 10, 9 2s are 18. Probability of 50 paisa coins equal to 5 upon 9. Answer. And probability will not be 5 rupees coin, that is equal to 1 minus probability of 5 rupees coins, and number of 5 rupees coin is 10. 1 minus 10 upon 180, 0 is cancelled, that is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 18. 18 multiplied by 1, that will be 18 minus 1 upon 18, and 18 minus 1 is equal to 17 upon 18. So probability not 5 rupees coin is equal to 17 upon 18. Answer. Question number 11. Gopi buys a fish from a shop of his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? Number of male fish is equal to 5, and number of female fish is equal to 8. Total number of fish is equal to 5 plus 8 equal to 13. What is the probability of male fish? Probability of male fish is equal to 5 upon 13. Answer. We have given male fish is equal to 5 and number of female fish is equal to 8. Total number of fish is 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, and probability of male fish equal to number of male fish divided by total number of fish, 5 upon 13. Answer. Question number 12. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers, and these are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that it will point at number 1 8, and 2 an odd number, third a number greater than 2, fourth a number less than 9? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. What is the probability it will point at A? Probability of 8 is equal to 8 is 1, 1 upon total is 8, 1 upon 8. And an odd number. Probability of an odd number. Odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7. That is 4 number, and probability of odd number is equal to 4 divided by 8. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That is equal to 1 upon 2. And third number, a number greater than 2. Probability of a number greater than 2. Number greater than 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 6 number. And its probability is equal to 6 divided by 8. Greater than 2 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number is 6, and probability of a number greater than 2 is 6 upon 8. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. 3 upon 4 answer. And fourth, a number less than 9. Probability of a number less than 9. Less than 9, that is all numbers 8, is equal to 8 upon 8, 1. Probability is equal to 1. Answer. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number 8, and probability of 8 is 8 1 times. So probability of 8 is equal to 1 upon 8. And second, probability of an odd number. Odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7. That is odd number equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. Number is 4. Total number is 4. So probability equal to 4 upon 8. That will be 1 upon 2. And third, a number greater than 2. Greater than 2 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number greater than 2 is 6. So probability of a number greater than 2 is 6 divided by 8. That is 3 2 are 6 and 4 2 are 8. That is 3 upon 4 answer. And probability a number less than 9, that is total number 8 less than 9 is equal to 8. So probability of a number less than 9 is 8 upon 8. That is equal to 1 answer. Question number 13. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number, a number lying between 2 and 6, and probability an odd number. A die is thrown once. S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have total elements in die, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 element. And prime number is equal to 2, 3 and 5. That is 3 number. Find the probability of getting a prime. First, probability of getting a prime number, that is equal to, prime number is 2, 3, 5. Total number is 3. 3 divided by die, we have 6 element. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Probability of a prime number is equal to 1 upon 2. Answer. And a number lying between 2 and 6. Probability of a number lying between 2 and 6 is equal to 2 and 6. 3, 4, 5. 3 number. 3 divided by 6, that is equal to 1 upon 2. Answer. Number lying between 2 and 6, that is 3, 4, 5. Total number is 3. So probability of a number lying between 2 and 6 equal to 3 upon 6. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. We get 1 upon 2 answer. And third, an odd number. Odd number is equal to 1, 3, 5. That is 3 numbers. Probability of an odd number is equal to 3 upon 6. That is 1 upon 2. Answer. A die is thrown and sample space S is equal to, we have 6 element in die, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and prime number, that is 2, 3 and 5. Total number is 3. So probability of prime number is 3 upon 6. Total number 6, 3 upon 6, that will be 1 upon 2. Answer. and probability of a number lying between 2 and 6. Number lying between 2 and 6 is 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. That is 3 element, and probability of a number lying between 2 and 6 is 3 upon 6. That will be 1 upon 2 also. And an odd number 135. 135 is an odd number, and probability of an odd number is equal to total number is 3. 3 upon 6, that is equal to 1 upon 2 answer. Question number 14. One card is drawn from Bell Shepherd deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color, a face card, a red face card, a jack of hearts, a spade, a queen of diamonds. Number of cards in a Bell shuffled is equal to 52. First, the probability of getting a king of red color. A king of red color is equal to 2. So probability of a king of red color is equal to 2 upon 52, that is 1 upon 26. Answer. And second, a face card. A face card is equal to 12. Total face card is equal to 12. Probability of a face card is equal to 12 divided by 52. 4 3s are 12. 13 4s are 52. That is equal to 3 upon 13. Answer. Third, a red face card. A red face card is equal to 6. Probability of a red face card, that is equal to 6 upon 52. 2 3s are 6. 26 2s are 52. That is 3 upon 26. Fourth, a jack of hearts, that is equal to 1. Probability of a jack of hearts, that is equal to 1 upon 52. Answer. And fifth, a spade. A spade card is equal to 13. Probability of a spade card, that is equal to 13 upon 52. 13 ones are 13, 13 fours are 52, is equal to 1 upon 4 answer. Sixth part, a queen diamond. A queen diamonds, that is only one. Probability of a queen diamonds is equal to 1 upon 52 answer. Number of cards in a Bell shuffle test is equal to 52. A king of red color is 2. Probability of a king of red color is 2 upon 52, that is equal to 1 upon 26 answer. And total face card is 12. A face card is equal to 12, and probability of face card is equal to 12 upon 52, that is equal to 3 upon 13 answer. A red face card is equal to 6. Probability of red face card is equal to 6 upon 52. 4 3s are 3 2s are 6, and 26 2s are 52, that is 3 upon 26 answer. And a jack of hearts is 1. Probability of jack of hearts is 1 upon 52 answer. A spade card is equal to 13. Probability of spade card is 13 upon 52, that is 13 fours are 52, 1 upon 4 answer. And a queen diamonds is 1. Probability of queen diamonds is equal to 1 upon 52 answer. Question number 15. 5 cards, the 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace of diamond are Bell shuffled with their face downwards. One card is then picked up at random. What is the probability that the card is Queen? And second, if the Queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card picked up is an Ace card and a Queen? Out of 5 cards, there is only one queen. Probability of queen is equal to 1 upon 5. And second part, if the queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card picked up is an S? Second, A. Probability of Ace card is equal to 1 by 4. When queen is drawn, four cards are left. So probability is equal to 1 by 4. And B, a queen. Probability of a queen, that is 0 upon 1 is equal to 0. Answer. Out of 5 cards there is only one queen and probability of queen is equal to 1 upon 5. Total number of cards is 5 and only one queen, probability of queen is 1 upon 5. And second part, if the queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card picked up is an ace card? When queen is drawn, 4 cards, we have 4 cards left and probability of an ace card is equal to 1 by 4. And probability of a queen is 0 upon 1, that is equal to 0. Answer. Question number 16. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good pens. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. Given number of defective pens, is equal to 12 and good pens equal to 132. Total number of pens is equal to 12 plus 132, that is equal to 144. Total number of pens. That is 144. Determine the probability that the pen taken out it is a good one. Probability of good pen, that is equal to 132 upon total 144. 12 ones are 12 and 12 ones are 12. 12 12s are 144. That is equal to 11 upon 12. Probability of good pen is equal to 11 upon 12. Answer. Number of defective pens is 12 and number of good pens is equal to 132. Total number of pens 12 plus 132, that is equal to 144. And probability of good pen is equal to number of good pens divided by total number of pens. 132 upon 144. 12 11s are 132, 12 12s are 144, that is equal to 11 upon 12. Answer. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? Suppose the bulb drawn in 1 is not defective and is not replaced. Now the bulb is drawn at random from the rest. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? Total number of bulbs is equal to 20 and defective bulbs is equal to 4. Not defective bulbs is equal to 20 minus 4, that is 60. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? Probability of defective bulbs is equal to 4 upon 20. Total 20, defective bulb 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. That is equal to 1 by 5. Answer. And second part, suppose the bulb drawn in is not defective and it is not replaced. Now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? Remaining bulb is equal to 19 and not defective bulbs is equal to 15. Probability of not defective bulbs, that is equal to 15 upon 19. Answer. Total number of bulbs is equal to 20 and defective bulb is equal to 4. Not defective bulb is equal to 20 minus 4, that is equal to 16. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? Probability of defective bulb is equal to 4 upon 20, that is equal to 1 upon 5. Answer. And remaining bulbs, suppose the bulb drawn in is not defective and is not replaced. 20 minus 1, remaining bulbs we have 19 and not defective bulbs we have 16 minus 1, that will be 15. Not defective bulbs is 15. So probability of not defective bulb is equal to 15 divided by remaining 19. Answer. Question number 18. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disk is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears a two-digit number, a perfect square number, a number divisible by 5. Number of disks is equal to 90. Find the probability that it bears a two-digit number. First part, a two-digit number. Two-digit number is equal to 10 to 90, that is 81. And probability of a two-digit number is equal to 81 upon 90. 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. That is 9 upon 10. Answer. Second part, a perfect square number. A perfect square number is equal to 1 square, 2 square 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 25, 36, 49 and 64. 9 9s are 81. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Probability of a perfect square number is equal to 9 upon 90. 9 1s are 9, 9 10s are 90. That is equal to 1 upon 10. Answer. And third, a number divisible by 5. A number divisible by 5 is equal to 18 number. That is equal to 18. Probability of a number divisible by 5 is equal to 18 upon 90. 18 1s are 18, 18 5s are 90. That is equal to 1 upon 5. Answer. Number of disks is equal to 90 and probability, number of two-digit number is 81 and probability of two-digit number is equal to 81 upon 90. 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. That is 9 upon 10. Answer. And a perfect square number between 1 to 90. 1 to 90 is equal to 9 9s are 81. That is 9 number, and a probability of perfect square number is equal to 9 upon 90. That will be 1 upon 10. And a number divisible by 5 is equal to 18 5s are 90. Number is 18, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 and 90. That is total number is equal to 18. So probability of number divisible by 5 is equal to 18 upon 90. That is 1 upon 5. Answer. Question number 19. A child has a die whose 6 faces show the letters as given below: A, B, C, D, A. A die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A and D? What is the probability of getting A? Probability of getting A first, second, 2 times, that is 2 upon total 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6 is equal to 1 upon 3 answer. And second part, probability of D is 1 times and total number is 6, 1 upon 6 answer. A die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A and D? Probability of getting A is equal to AB have 2 times, 2 upon 6, that is equal to 1 by 3 answer, and D is 1 time, so probability of D is equal to 1 upon total is 6, 1 upon 6 answer. Question number 20. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region shown in figure. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with the diameter 1 meter? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, 3 into 2, that is equal to 6 meter square. Area of rectangle is 6 meter square. And diameter, given diameter is 1 meter, and radius of circle is equal to 1 upon 2 meter. Area of circle is equal to pi r square, that is pi into 1 upon 2 square is equal to pi upon 2 2s are 4, area of circle. So probability a die drops inside the circle is equal to pi upon 4 divided by 6, that is equal to pi upon 6 4s are 24 answer. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is 3 meter, breadth is 2 meter, 3 2s are 6 meter square. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. And given diameter of circle is 1 meter. Given diameter of circle is 1 meter and its radius is half 1 upon 2 meter. Area of circle is equal to pi r square, pi into 1 upon 2 square, that is pi upon 4. And probability, what is the probability that it will land inside the circle? Probability a die drops inside the circle is pi by 4 upon 6. that is equal to pi by 24. Answer. Question number 21. A lot consists of 144 ball pens and which 20 are defective and others are good. Noori will buy a pen if it is good, but it will not buy if it is defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her, but it is the probability that she will buy it, she will not buy it. Number of ball pens is equal to 144. Defective number of defective pens is equal to 20. Number of good pens, number of good pens is equal to 144 minus 20, that is equal to 124. Number of good pens. What is the probability that she will buy it? Probability of good pen is equal to 124 divided by total 144. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, and 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 24. That is equal to 31 divided by 36. Its probability of good pen, she will buy it and she will not buy it. Probability not buy it, that is equal to 1 minus probability of good 31 upon 36. This implies 36 minus 31 divided by 36, and that is equal to 5 upon 36, and probability she will not buy it, that is equal to 5 upon 36. Answer. And she will buy it, its probability is 31 upon 36. Answer. Total number of ball pens is 144. Number of defective pens is 20. So number of good pens equal to total minus 20, that will be 124. It's good pen. Number of good pens is 124, and find the probability she will buy it, that is good pens. Probability of good pens is equal to 124 divided by 144, and it's divisible by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, and 4 3s are 12, 24, 4 6 are 24. Then we get probability of good pens, she will buy it, is equal to 31 upon 36. Answer. And she will not buy it, that is 1 minus probability of she will buy it 31 upon 36. 36 multiplied by 1 minus 31, that will be 30, that will be 5 upon 36. Answer. Question number 23. A game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcome each time. Honey wins it all. The tosses give the same result, that is 3 heads or 3 tails, and loses otherwise. Calculate the probability that Honey will lose the game. Possible outcomes. S is equal to head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail, and tail, tail, tail. That is equal to 8. Probability he wins the game is equal to 2 divided by 8, that is 1 upon 4. And probability he lost the game is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 4, that is equal to 4 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 4. Answer. Possible outcomes are S is equal to head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail, and lastly triple tail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is equal to total number is 8. If Honey wins the game, that is equal to 2 upon 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 is equal to 1 by 4. And when she loses the game is equal to 1 minus probability of he wins the game. Probability of Honey wins the game is 1 upon 4. 4 1s are 4 minus 1, 3, 3 upon 4. Answer. Thank you so much.